So Tristan's acting very weird right now. Get away from my duffel bag. Wait, no. I'm not allowed to be in there, at least. Oh, you want out? You want out? Do you want to play? You want out? Do you want to play? You want out? Or do you want to play? Which one is it? Why is... Or so, whatever. Like, what is that about that spot that you like so much? Like, there's nothing under it. You just... Why? He's purring so loud as well. Oh, don't bite my feet! Do not bite my feet. I said... What are you doing over here? You're just gonna be a cat now? Don't you? Oh! You almost just tapped my foot. Yeah, I'm gonna let him out now. Goodbye, bro. This is weird. Well, what are you gonna do now? You're going back to smelling? Yeah. Like, what are you smelling for? Did you get hold of the catnip I put downstairs? Oh god, I hope you didn't. Well, actually, I could explain the reason why he's doing. Anyway, I guess it's catnip. I guess. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good day. Like, I guess he's gonna do that. Goodbye, everyone.